In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to leave Facebook page. If you're stepping back from managing a page or handing responsibilities to someone else, this walkthrough will show you exactly how to remove your own access. Before we begin, double check that you're signed in to the correct Facebook account and that you're comfortable with the change. Once you remove yourself, you won't be able to manage the page unless someone with access adds you back later. Start on Facebook's home screen. In the top right corner, click your profile picture to open the main menu. From that menu, choose Settings and Privacy, and then click Settings. This takes you to your account and page controls, where you can manage permissions. On the left-hand side, go to Page Setup. Depending on the layout, this section might appear among other page tools, so take a moment to locate it. Inside Page Setup, find and select Page Access. In some versions, this may simply appear as Access. Both lead to the same place, the area where you can see who currently has permission to manage the page. Now it's time to remove yourself. In the Page Access section, look for your name in the list of people with access. If there are many people listed, scroll carefully until you find your profile. When you see your name, click Remove Access. Facebook will ask for your account password. This is a normal security step to make sure only you can change your own permissions. Enter your password and then confirm the removal when prompted. After you confirm, your access to the page is immediately revoked. That means you will no longer be able to post as the page, respond to messages or comments as the page, view insights, manage ads, or change any page settings. Any posts or content you previously created for the page will remain, but you won't be able to edit or delete them unless a current admin restores your access in the future. A few tips before you finish. If the page still needs active management, make sure another trusted person has the appropriate access before you remove yourself. If you don't see Page Setup or Page Access, the layout may look slightly different. Stay within Settings and look for Access or Permissions options related to the page. And remember, this change is permanent from your side. Once you're out, you can't add yourself back. That's it. You've successfully removed yourself from the Facebook page. If this was helpful, take a breath and verify you can no longer see the page management tools, and you're all set.